Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Karma Squad here, and I'm playing Minecraft. It's Skycade, and I'm just in the wilderness messing around. So yeah, this is my new texture pack. I got Armor Hub, and yeah. So I'm just messing around, and I just wanted to tell you guys, I got action again. I'll just be uploading more frequently, and yeah. So I will be trying to do daily uploads if I can, because I'm trying to use this recorder as much as I can. So yeah, I am getting better FPS because I got Optifine. See, Optifine, and yeah. So this is just a short video just to tell you that I'm uploading more videos, and yeah, like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content, and peace.